Hey guys, does your flashlight sound like this? Right, this means the silicone grease on the O-rings have all worn out. Alright, so when it comes new from the factory, they do apply a thin layer of silicone grease. So here's a new flashlight. You can see that there is silicone grease here, and when I turn the tail cap, it doesn't make any squeaky sounds. Right, it keeps it smooth and it keeps the water out. Okay, so if you see that, that is not factory oil or dirty hands or anything like that. That is factory applied silicone grease, which will extend the lifespan of your flashlight O-ring. Alright, so if your lights have run out of silicone grease, you can buy replacement ones from any of the hardware stores. Okay, so don't use WD-40 or any non-silicone based lubricant. Okay, it will eat into the O-ring. Alright, so that's it.